Dubai's reputation as a tax-free haven has long attracted individuals and businesses seeking to maximize their income and profits. While it's true that Dubai imposes no personal income tax, the broader tax landscape is more nuanced. Various taxes and fees apply, particularly to businesses, challenging the notion of a completely tax-free environment. For individuals, Dubai offers the significant advantage of no personal income tax. This means that salaries and wages are not subject to taxation, allowing residents to retain their full earnings. This policy has been a major draw for expatriates from countries with high income tax rates. However, it's important to note that while personal income remains untaxed, other forms of taxation can affect an individual's overall financial picture. Introduced in January 2018, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, including Dubai, implemented a value-added tax, VAT, at a rate of 5%. This consumption tax applies to most goods and services, meaning that while personal income isn't taxed, spending is. For example, when purchasing electronics, dining out, or utilizing various services, consumers pay an additional 5% in VAT. This indirect tax impacts the cost of living and should be considered when evaluating Dubai's tax environment. Historically, Dubai did not impose a general corporate tax, making it an attractive destination for businesses. However, in June 2023, the UAE introduced a federal corporate tax of 9% on business profits exceeding 375,000 Emirati dirhams. This move aligns the UAE with global tax standards and aims to diversify government revenue sources. It's important to note that certain sectors, such as oil and gas companies and foreign banks, have been subject to taxation for many years, with rates varying between 20% and 55%. Dubai imposes customs duties on imported goods, typically at a standard rate of 5%. This affects businesses that rely on imported products, as these duties can increase operational costs. Additionally, the UAE has implemented excise taxes on specific goods deemed harmful to health or the environment. For instance, a 50% tax applies to sugary drinks, and a 100% tax is levied on tobacco products and energy drinks. These taxes aim to discourage consumption of such products and promote public health. Dubai has established numerous free zones designed to attract foreign investment by offering tax incentives. Businesses operating within these zones can benefit from exemptions on import, export duties, full foreign ownership, and, in some cases, guarantees of no corporate tax for a specified period. However, these benefits are subject to conditions, and companies must comply with specific regulations to maintain their status. It's also worth noting that the new federal corporate tax may impact businesses in free zones depending on their activities and compliance with regulatory requirements. While expatriates are generally not subject to Social Security taxes in Dubai, UAE nationals and other Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) citizens employed in the UAE are required to contribute to Social Security. Employers also have obligations to contribute on behalf of these employees. These contributions fund pensions and other social benefits for UAE and GCC nationals. The hospitality sector in Dubai is subject to various taxes that can affect both businesses and consumers. Hotels charge a tourism dirham fee per room per night, which varies depending on the hotel's rating. Additionally, a municipality tax of 7% is applied to hotel revenues, and a 10% service charge is often added to bills in restaurants and hotels. These taxes contribute to the overall cost of services in the tourism industry. Dubai's tax environment offers significant advantages, particularly the absence of personal income tax, which enhances disposable income for residents. However, the introduction of VAT, corporate taxes, and other fees means that the city is not entirely tax-free. Businesses, in particular, need to navigate a complex tax landscape that includes corporate taxes, customs duties, and sector-specific levies. Understanding these nuances is crucial for individuals and companies considering relocation or investment in Dubai. While the city remains an attractive destination due to its favorable tax policies, it's essential to recognize that tax-free does not equate to the absence of all taxes and fees.